Unforgettable Pinoy wedding moments, the best of Pinoy wedding memes. A lot of people linked this over and they said, yo, you have to check these out. You've seen Bardagulan right here on screen. You've seen like the basketball moments from the Philippines. You've seen volleyball moments from the Philippines. You've seen a lot. And so a lot of people have told me about this one now, saying like, there's so many goofy moments in the Philippines. You got to check this one out in particular. So without further ado, guys, come join me. Let's go. What?
Sa bawat kasalan, inaasahan natin ang emotional na vows, perfect na seremonya at romantic na eksena. Pero minsan kahit gaano pa kaayos ang plano, may mga eksenang biglang sumisingit at nagiging instant core memory ng mga dumalo. Ito na ang ilan sa mga funniest Pinoy wedding moments.
Crazy thing is I'm getting married this year too.
First in line sa ating listahan, bida ang ating groom na Boy Scout ang galawan. Laging handa, baon-baon ang kanyang spray sa bunganga.
Best wishes sa ating mga groom. You may now kiss the bride.
You may now kiss the bride. That's actually kind of funny and wholesome. I won't lie. Yeah.
To the rescue naman ang susunod nating ibibida.
It's just the truck in the back, I guess.
Ang hangin, muntik nang humampas ang backdrop sa bride. Pero worry no more dahil ang ating superhero ay kayang-kayang aksyonan ito.
Diretso lang, slowly lang.
Look, because of the wind, this is gonna fall over and bro's gonna come save.
Diretso hanggang pintuan.
That's awesome. I got this. Yo, I love these sound effects. Gotta use this in my videos, bro. These would be beautiful. I got this.
Next in line sa ating listahan, si Father ay bumigay ng tuluyan sa matamis na moment na kanyang nasaksihan.
Baby, papasok ko na.
Wala tuloy. Ano ba? Ano ba klase pa?
Mala Pinoy Big Brother.
That's awesome.
Game, okay na. Gets na.
What?
Cute mo ba?
Bro's just straight trolling. I didn't die.
Taba, baby, love, at ngayon asawa. Yan yung mga tinatawag ko sa inyo. Sa'yo, sa inyo tuloy. Bloopers lang.
Bloopers lang.
Ano naman sa kakulitan ng bride at groom sa susunod nating eksena? Paano naman kasi si ating bride umiral ang kademonyuhan ng kamay niya?
It's me and boyfriend kong Rafa. Eh, kakasal na kami. Mwah!
Wait, why'd she flip me off? You went.
At sa susunod nating eksena, stress to the next level ang ating mga wedding organizers. Paano naman kasi ang ating bida sa moment ni bride ay agaw eksena?
Lumapas. Well, nagbabantay ba dyan sa likod? Walang magpapalakat sa likod. Then, go. Ay!
Oh my god. Dude.
Hindi mo nakita.
Mariosif.
Napa oh my god na lang si Father sa ating susunod na eksena. Paano naman kasi si groom ay hindi na
It's supposed to flip back, not go in.
Entry. Ay, mali na naman. Oh my God.
Oh my, dude, that sounds like my grandma. Oh my god.
Sa kulambo. Mamayang gabi pa yon. Akala daw niya likod niya. Eh di ikaw naging bride.
He became the bride.
way. Yan ang moto ng ating susunod na ibibida. Dahil kulang sa height si kuya, ginawan ng ukwan para matangkad siya pag kiss the bride na.
This can't be real. This is all, no. I fucking love that.
Talagang nagpagawa ka pa, ha?
You can see that's why she married him, bro. Oh, that's wholesome.
Ang hindi alam ng ating bida, multi-purpose pala ang upuan na gamit niya. House and lot naman ata ang gusto ng ating susunod na ibibida. Paano naman kasi sa kanyang endearment, walang iba kundi puro bahay ang bukang bibig niya.
Stephanie, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kita ng kanyang bahay na may bahay.
House and lot ang gusto mo, ha? Hindi si Stephanie. Ulit. Stephanie.
Stephanie, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayan, tinitipan kitang maging aking bahay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tinitipan kitang aking maging bahay.
Dude. Oh my god, this is making me, I got my wedding, bro. I'm not messing this up. I can't. It's just making me nervous. I'm gonna do this now, my wedding, bro.
Stephanie, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kitang maging aking may bahay. Sa harap at ginhawa,
naman ang hatid ng ating susunod na eksena nang tanungin ni Father kung bakit malungkot ang ating bida. Tiyak na matatawa ka sa isasagot niya.
Bakit kayong palungkot? Ha? Anong magastos? Kaya pala malungkot, magastos daw. Patay baboy. O ilang baboy yung pinatay? 5. May ambag ka. Hoy, kung may ambag ka, kaya wala. Kaya pala ito'y kalungkot-lungkot.
Malungkot
That's wholesome.
Di pa rin maikakaila na talagang umaalingaw-ngaw ang sigaw ng damdamin niya.
Lidje, sana yung pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Papa, Father.
Abot sa SMA. Nakakagulat ka naman eh.
At yan ang ilan sa mga wedding moments na hindi man planado.
Dude, those were awesome. I want to know what you guys think. And honestly, like, as much as it wants to make me nervous about my wedding, like, bro, am I going to do one of these? Nah. It's definitely going to be more chill. I feel like Filipinos, they really just goof around a lot naturally. And so, like, the way they be during even serious moments like this, it can just be crazy. But regardless, I love you guys. I want to know your guys' thoughts. Link over some more to me in the comments below. Till next time, peace. How good you been living? Wait, how good you been living? I've been living too good for you. I've been living too. Did what I did and I do it again. Every move that I make, I ain't feeling repent. Nobody believes to believe it's a friend, and you question your moves like you really won't end. Really?